Welcome to the farm! Today we are going to meet some new animals and listen to the sounds they make. The farm animals! Who makes that sound? Oh wow! It's the ducky that goes. You know that sound. Which animal is it? You're right. It's the doggy. What a cute sound. But which animal made it? Good job. It's a cute little chick. I guess it's time to wake up. Do you know which animal makes that sound? You're right. The rooster goes. Which animal is it this time? It's a cow. This animal goes. What a beautiful sound. Which animal makes a sound like that? Yee-haw! The horse goes. Where is that animal? That's a chicken, all right. Which animal is it this time? That's a fluffy sheep that goes. That sounds familiar, but which animal is it? Yes, it's the farm doggy. Find the animals that go. Very good. You found a whole family of ducks. What about an animal that goes? Perfect. Goes the pig? Where's the animal that sounds like? You found it. It's the horse that goes. Let's find an animal that goes. Yes, a cow goes. What about? Who makes that sound? Well, hello, Mr. Rooster. Which animal goes? That's right. The soft sheep goes. Here are the last animals for our visit at the farm. Which animal makes the sound? You got it! Is the sound of a happy pig. Here is a sound you already know. Which animal is that? Wonderful! The pretty horse goes. Only one animal left. Which animal makes the sound? Wow, you found it! It's a donkey! A donkey goes. We saw and heard so many animals today. It sure was fun visiting the farm. Goodbye to the animals.